Is it really possible to live in a home with zero clutter? Maybe you might think so, but in reality, the person's home probably has a whole bunch of systems, both big and small, to kind of keep clutter under control so that it doesn't get overwhelming, and so that it also looks, their home looks pretty good all of the time. Now, the reason I'm talking about this today is because I was talking with someone who had been watching some of my home tour videos, I think specifically my family room and also my living room. And she said, like, do you really live that way? Do you really live with zero clutter? And I told her that actually, yeah, for the most part, those rooms do look like that. Maybe more so the living room than the family room, because the living room gets a little less traffic than the family room. But generally, yeah, they look like that, and I'm able to put things away. And part of it comes down to every room in my house serves a distinct function. So there's like a certain place in my house that if you want to play cards, you're gonna know where to go and get a deck of cards. Or if you want to play a game or build a puzzle, you're going to go to the game closet and you're going to get those things out. If you want to do crafts, again, you're going to come up to this room, and there are craft supplies in my closet. So every room has a distinct purpose, and the storage that's available in the room also serves a distinct purpose as well. And so that's how I kind of keep things put away, because there literally is a home for everything. If I find that there are things that don't get put away, then that is a signal to me that my system has broken down, needs to be updated, expanded, tweaked in some way to give that item a home. I don't like to have things out and about. Visual clutter is a huge distraction for me, and I have trouble focusing, I have trouble getting things done, and it kind of makes me cranky. So that's why I have everything kind of put away, because I just don't want to see it. And there are some things that I do like to keep out because they are a visual trigger for me to do things. For example, wrong side. That postcard up there, that is, on the flip side, is a coupon for a craft company that I like to get stuff from. So I want to keep it out and about and not tucked away in a coupon folder, because it's the coupon that I actually want to use, because my wish list right now for craft stuff is kind of long, and so I kind of keep it out. But again, I have a system, so it's not just hanging out on a counter somewhere or on a table or on an end table, something like that. It's pinned up there so that it's out of the way, and again, I can see it easier. So that is my advice to you, is to, one, don't strive to never have anything out, but just like, well, I guess you could if you want, but I don't want my spaces to make it seem like they're totally unachievable, unrealistic. They are realistic for you. My entire house does not look like that. And of course, I do clean up before my videos, so that makes sense. But generally, it's like a 5-minute, 10-minute little dust and zhuzh and tweaking just to make everything look pretty, because I live with other people and they like to move my stuff around. Boys. I hope this has been a helpful, motivational little pep talk to say you can live in a clutter-free space, and kind of I gave you my secrets on how to do it too. So I'm sure I will dive back into that in another video. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. So go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Until next time, you guys, you take care, and I'll see you later.